Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to be working on sublimating. This is actually my second time sublimating anything and I'm really excited about this. I think it's so cool and this is one of the easiest and best ways to design or make your t-shirts. So I got this design from designbundles.net. It was actually a free design, so go ahead and check it out. We're going to put it on this shirt today. Yeah, so just keep watching the process. Okay, so here we're getting ready to start with the printing process. So I've already printed my design as you've seen, and I have my shirt prepped. I use the lint roller
To go over the surface to remove any little fibers, so that way you won't end up having little fibers show up in your design in the end once you heat press it to your shirt.
In this video, I will be using my Cricut Easy Press 2. It is 9x9. I do have my Easy Press mat. I feel that it helps a lot with keeping the heat where it's supposed to be. I did order a heat press. I ordered a 15x15 heat press from Amazon, and will be doing an unboxing with that heat press once I get it. I'm not supposed to get it until next week, so just stay tuned for that. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do now is put my heat press on there just for a few seconds so I can get any moisture or oils or whatever out of the shirt before I put my design on. Alright, so now that I did that, I'm going to let it cool for a second. That's cooling. I'm just cutting some strips of my heat resistant tape. I did use this on my first shirt and it kind of left a little tinge to where it was at from I guess the heat press. I don't know why it did that. Hopefully it doesn't do it again for this shirt. If it does, I'm definitely going to leave that in a review on Amazon on Amazon where I ordered it from. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's nice and cool now. It is. It's a lot cooler. It's not completely cool, but it's kind of warm. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down. I have a spot right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, it's picking up on the camera. That was on there from when I bought it, so hopefully this design covers it up. I'll try to line up a darker spot over it so that way it kind of covers it up. So I'm just gonna put my heat tape on, kind of holding it in place so it doesn't move because I like the way it's centered. Actually, I'm gonna move it over just a tad.
At this point, I didn't realize that I printed my design the right way instead of mirroring it, so it's going to show backwards on the shirt. This is just a trial shirt, so I didn't plan on giving it to anyone. So yeah, just remember that when you are sublimating on a t-shirt and you have words, you always want to remember to mirror your image. That is very important. Otherwise, it will be backwards like you'll see this one is.
So I'm gonna do it for 45 seconds. At 375. My heat press should cover this all the way. I'm going to try to center it on the paper. And I'm going to apply firm pressure. Just kind of hold it down. Now I'm just gonna check the corners just to make sure it coordinated. Nope, that corner's again. 15 seconds.
Now, normally you should always put something to cover the design and protect your equipment. I didn't because I was so excited to get started with this, and I'm still new and learning everything, trying to get a routine of how sublimation works. So I will try to keep in mind to always put either a piece of paper or um, some butcher paper down so it can protect my machine so the
Much
ink
better.
doesn't bleed on my
Much
heat press.
better. Okay, so this is a hot peel, and it left that mark again. I don't like that it does that. See right there and right there and right there. It's a little bit on that side, but overall, this is absolutely so cute. It was kind of dull at first, but it's a lot more dull. I almost want to test this on another object just to see if I'm able to use it again, because I'm very frugal, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. It went through. I knew I should have forgot to put the paper in there. I thought about it. I'm just a little ahead of myself because I was so excited about trying this out. See, it left a little shadow on the back. So that's why it's kind of important to put something in between to protect the layers. Well, it's just a learning process, and this is only the beginning. I hope you guys continue to follow me through my journey and growing through my YouTube channel and my crafting business. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post another video. Thanks, guys, for tuning in, and until next time, see ya.